I have created this flower with cotton yarn. Now I'm working with wool yarn. So first create magic circle. Now add 18 double crochets. You can keep flower size according to your choice. I'm creating this flower with 18 double crochets and 6 petals. I have added another video for other flower that is of size 24 double crochets and 6 petals, and the petal size is also different. You can find the video on the same channel. Lock the stitch with slip knot. Now insert hook into next loop and make single crochet. Add 1 chain. Pull yarn through first ankle, pull yarn through base, pull through yarn 2, pull through yarn 2 and 1 chain. Same process. Pull yarn through first ankle, pull yarn through second ankle. Now from the next loop, not the same loop. So we will have number of loops in increasing number. Now pull through yarn from the same loop. Now pull through yarn from the next loop. So from each base loop, pull yarn through 2 times. This one is our last row and we had 6 loops at the end. Now we will add slip knot to the base. Now for the next petal, add single crochet to the next loop, 1 chain, pull yarn through 1 ankle, pull yarn through the same base. We have 3 loops. Now for the next row, we will pull yarn through from the next base loop. We'll have 4 loops. Now this time we are pulling yarn through same base loop. So we'll have 2 loops for the base loop. This will be our last row for this petal, and we will pull yarn through next loop. This is our last row, so adding slip knots. We'll follow the same process throughout the circle.